بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، وبه نستعين على أمور الدنيا والدين، وصلى الله وسلم على سيدنا محمد خاتم النبيين وآله وصحبه أجمعين، ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. This is lesson number 11 from our course of explanation of Safinatu Najaa, the ship of salvation. The course is based on the explanation of Safinatu Najaa in Bravanese language by Ustadh Jeilan Abu Mazin. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect him. The author of the book, Rahimahullah, is saying, فصل في مبطلات التيمم, chapter in the things that invalidate tayammum. مبطلات التيمم ثلاثة. The things that invalidate tayammum are three. The first one is ما أبطل الوضوء, those that invalidate the wudu. Anything that invalidates the wudu will also invalidate tayammum. The second thing is والردة, and apostasy, leaving the deen of Islam. Leaving Islam does not invalidate wudu. The third thing that invalidates tayammum is وتوهم الماء إن يتممم لفقده, making a presumption that one can now obtain water after making tayammum due to lack of water. This also applies if one sees people who may have water. فصل فيما يطهر من النجاسات, chapter in the types of impurities that can be purified. الذي يطهر من النجاسات ثلاثة. The three types of impurities that can be purified are three. The sheikh is saying there are three things that are impure but can be purified. The first one is الخمر إذا تخللت بنفسها, wine that becomes vinegar on its own without any human interference. Wine or any liquid intoxicant is impure, but solid intoxicants are pure although they are unlawful to take. On its own means without anything being mixed with it. If anything was mixed with wine before it becomes vinegar, then turning it to vinegar does not purify it. وَجِلْدُ الْمَيْتَةِ إِذَا دُبِغ, and the hide or skin of a dead animal that is tanned. Tanning means removing from the skin all excess blood, fat, hair, and so on by using other substances. And the third one is وَمَا صَارَ حَيَوَانًا, creatures that come out of dead animals like worms. فصل في أقسام النجاسة, chapter in the types of impurities. النجاسات ثلاث, impurities are of three types. مغلظة, heavy impurity, ومخففة, and light impurity, ومتوسطة, and moderate impurity. المغلظة نجاسة الكلب والخنزير وفرع أحدهما. Heavy impurity is impurity from a dog, pig, or their offspring. والمخففة بول الصبي الذي لم يطعم غير اللبن ولم يبلغ حولين. Light impurity is the urine of a baby boy which only feeds on milk and has not yet reached 2 years of age. The urine of a baby girl is impure even if it feeds on milk only. The wisdom behind this is only known to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَالْمُتَوَسِّطَةُ سَائِرُ النَّجَاسَاتِ. Moderate impurity includes all other remaining impurities. Examples of moderate impurities include urine, blood, pus, vomit, wine, unslaughtered dead animals, and so on. فصل في إزالة النجاسة, chapter in removing of impurities. المغلظة تطهر بسبع غسالات بعد إزالة عينها إحداهن بتراب. Heavy impurity is purified by removing it and then washing it 7 times, one of which should be with sand. عينها means its effect can be seen with the eyes, such as color, smell, or taste. والمخففة تطهر برش الماء عليها مع الغلبة وإزالة عينها. Light impurity is purified by removing the actual impurity and sprinkling enough water on it. The amount of water sprinkled should be greater than the amount of urine. والمتوسطة تنقسم إلى قسمين, عينية وحكمية. and the moderate impurities of two types, عينية and حكمية. عينية التي لها لون وريح وطعم. عينية is the one that the eyes can see its effect. It has color, smell and taste. فلا بد من إزالة لونها وريحها وطعمها. It is necessary to remove its color, smell and taste. والحكمية التي لا لون ولا ريح ولا طعم لها. And حكمية is the one that does not have a color, smell or taste. يكفيك جري الماء عليها. It is enough for you that water flows over it. That means to wash it with water. And here comes the end of our lesson. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.